Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we have a super exciting video for you guys today, and it is an unboxing on my dream bag. It's been sitting in my room for the past 3 days because I've been waiting to film this video and do an unboxing for you guys. So yeah, I'm super excited. There is a story behind why I purchased this bag now and where I got it from and all that stuff, but I'm gonna just do the unboxing first because I'm just really excited. If you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. Well, actually, when I put this video up, it'll probably be Vlogmas already, so I'm uploading every single day until the 25th of December. So make sure you hit the subscribe button below, turn on your post notifications because there is a giveaway coming up really soon because I'm about to hit 4,000 subscribers, which is crazy. So there's gonna be a giveaway very soon. But yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this bag because I have been waiting for this for like 3 years now. I picked this up on myteresa.com and we're just gonna go ahead and open it. I'm hoping that I don't break anything on the inside. I'm pretty sure this is like triple boxed. I'm just... okay. I just get nervous opening stuff, you know, because you never know if you're gonna break something or like slice something open, which I have done before. Okay. So, oh, it's upside down. This is what it looks like. What is that? Oh, okay, so your receipt comes in this. Yes, I remember this from the last time I ordered something from there. Yeah, there's the shipping label, receipt, and all of that good stuff. They give you a fancy little folder for it, and then the box is the one right here on the inside. You have an option to do, what is it called? Just like an eco box. So I think it's just the outside packaging and then the YSL box on the inside, but I chose the fancy packaging. I always choose the fancy packaging because I like to do unboxings, so that's why. This is what their little box looks like. It's, yeah, it's really cute. It looks like a Louis Vuitton box almost. So this is the outside packaging. They have changed it since the last time I ordered. Their packaging used to be white. It's this really happy yellow, almost lemon yellow color. And then the pull tab is this black ribbon. Let's go ahead and open this together. So hopefully you can see everything. Okay, so this is the box that it comes in. I am keeping this one. I'm just gonna keep this box inside here when I'm storing it because it's really cute. Why not? Or like just put something else in here, but it's a really cute little box. So then this is what this looks like. It comes with this little note. So it's wrapped by Lou. I think it says Lou, L-E-W. Thank you, Lou, for wrapping this for me so nicely. So this is what it looks like. Can you guys, well, actually, you don't have to guess what it is because it's already in the title. Oh my gosh, go ahead and open this. I'm gonna keep that. So it comes in this Saint Laurent box. Okay, so it comes in this little dust bag here. And then if you pull this out, it comes with the chain like that. And then it has a little tag. So if you do remove this tag, that means you won't be able to return the bag, basically. It comes with this little instruction manual, care booklet. So that's what it looks like. It's just in the box. So now the moment of truth. Wow, it's so pretty. So that's what it looks like. The hardware, oh my gosh, everything about this bag, it's like, I can't believe I'm holding this right now. I just can't. I'm so excited. So this is what it looks like. So this is the YSL wallet on chain. I believe this is the small one. I think they have two sizes, a small and a medium, and this is the size small. I've only seen the medium in person. I've only tried the medium on in person because that's the only one I've been able to find locally. So this, it's so pretty. So it's just stuffed with, you know, wrapping and everything like that. I'm gonna probably keep it stuffed, but it has a card slot on the back here. This is so hard to show you guys on camera. So this part right here, there's a little zipper compartment on the front and then a main compartment in the back. So if you buy the medium size, it has, I think, 2 compartments. This one is in the middle and it has an extra one on the other side. So there is a card slot here where you can put 8 cards, and then the back compartment on the back of the bag right there. So for a wallet on chain, I feel like this is pretty roomy. For the small version, it is pretty roomy. You get a lot of space. So I am gonna take this off to show you guys what the chain detailing looks like and everything. So let's go ahead, try to open this. So as I'm opening this, I'm gonna basically be telling you guys the story of how I ended up purchasing this now, what happened and all that stuff. So this was out of stock for months on my Teresa. I was gonna buy this in the beginning of the year, but I think because of COVID and everything, this was out of stock for a long time. It just went back in stock a couple weeks ago and it was limited stock. So I basically not really jumped on the opportunity, but I looked at the price conversion for euros versus Canadian dollars, and basically that's how you get a good deal on my Teresa. Basically any shop that you're shopping from Europe, if anything is in euros, you're gonna get a really great deal on the price conversion if it's a good like trading day. So apparently that week the Canadian dollar was doing really well, so I got a really great deal on this bag. I paid way below retail, which is awesome. If I could get this off the chain. So I just basically jumped on the opportunity once I saw the price conversion and the fact that there was only a few left in stock. It sold out basically the day after I purchased this bag. I went back on my Teresa and they didn't have it at all in stock. I only think that they carry the small version. So if you're looking for the medium-sized envelope clutch, they don't carry that one, I don't think, because I've never seen it. And like I said, I've only ever seen the medium size one in the store. I never really knew what this one looked like, so I'm actually seeing it for the first time. So I'm gonna do this off camera because this is taking a really long time to take off, and then I'll show you guys what the bag looks like and all of that good stuff. So yeah, so that's what the chain looks like. Like I said, I got the small size, so it does come with this little leather piece on the top of the chain. If you buy the medium-sized bag, you don't get this. It's just the solid chain, but this chain is so pretty. Like, it's so heavy and thick, and just this bag is so beautiful. It's so bougie and I love it. So that's what that one looks like. I will do some mod shots later on. I'm actually wearing pajamas right now because, like every other YouTuber, I'm always just dressed on the top. I have my makeup done, but I'm wearing pajamas. So once I change to go out, I will do some mod shots with this in the mirror just to show you guys what it looks like on me. I am 5'5". That's gonna be a reference point on how this hits, but it's pretty long. Like, it's a pretty long bag. I'm pretty sure I can wear this crossbody, which is what I was thinking of in the first place when I purchased this, because I feel like that would be like the easiest way. Yeah, it is a pretty long chain, so if you are taller than me, I'm pretty sure you could still wear this as crossbody if you really wanted to. But yeah, that's my latest purchase from my Teresa. This is actually only my second thing that I've ever purchased from my Teresa. The first thing was my Antigona bag back like 3 years ago. But yeah, I'm just so excited. This actually matches my card holder perfectly. Even though with this bag, I don't really think you need a card holder because it does have the card slots on the inside. But yeah, I will do some close-up shots and all of that good stuff. The chain is actually removable on this bag. I forgot to mention that. So there's like a little clasp thing. You can remove the chain, which I don't know if you can do on the medium-sized one, but you can always like tuck the chain into the bag, I guess. So that is that. I will go ahead and cut this off now, but yeah, that is my beautiful new YSL bag, and I'm so excited. I will do some close-ups and all of that good stuff, and in a couple, like, I don't know, within a month or so, I will do a what's in my purse with this bag once I've kind of used it for a bit and kind of give you guys a review. I like to do a review separately than my unboxing because I can show you guys, you know, what fits in the bag and all of that stuff, as far as like using it on a daily basis. Also with the wear and tear, although this is caviar leather, so I don't foresee it getting worn very easily. Caviar is usually way better than lambskin, so I don't even think YSL makes lambskin envelope clutches. I also have the Toy Lulu on my list for my next bag. That will probably be the YSL Toy Lulu one. But yeah, I had a great experience from My Teresa as usual. They are a great website to order from. So if you guys are looking for some gifts for yourself or for other people, My Teresa is a really awesome website. And yeah, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys soon in my next one. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. I will see you guys in the next clip because I will do some mod shots as well as some close-ups of the bag because I know you can't really see it with this camera angle. So I'll go ahead and do that right now.
You got to let it go. 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 I'm ready to let 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 go. You got to let it go.
Okay guys, so we're gonna ignore how bad my closet looks. Basically my shelf caved in because I have too many clothes, so I'm gonna be working on fixing my whole entire closet at some point next year. So yeah, it's kind of a mess right now, but just ignore that. I'm gonna be basically showing you guys how this looks on. So yeah, for reference, I am 5'5", and this is how it looks crossbody. Like for a crossbody, I think it hits perfectly, so it's just right on my hip, which is awesome. So that is one way to wear it. You can also shorten the chain by wrapping it around a few times on the inside, not even wrapping it around, just like basically crisscrossing it from the inside. But I'm not going to do that for this particular video. I'm just going to show you guys one more way I would wear it, just because these are usually the types of ways I would wear this personally. Like I would either wear it crossbody or I would just wear it longwise like this. So yeah, if I was just to wear it like this, it is pretty long. That's what it looks like from the front. So yeah, for me personally, I do like it crossbody. I think it just looks a lot nicer on me personally. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys soon.